Myself, Kushal Chotalia. I am representing Rajhans Plastic Machinery Private Limited, which is based in Ahmedabad, and the company is incepted in 1992. And since now we are in service of plastic processing machineries. We are manufacturing all types of screen changers, melt pump, die face cutters, and breaker plate cleaner unit. Major clients are all the machine manufacturer in India, where you can see we have displayed the logos of our customers, our esteemed customers basically. Since the time gone, we have developed 18 different types of screen changer under one roof. In India, we are leader in this segment basically. Today we have a strength of 160 people to provide a quality and good service, and we have in-house machine shop where we maintain the quality for our customer, and also we maintain the timely delivery. Thank you.